How to ruin a white girl's day. Air horn. Hello, everyone.
Air horn cam. God. Brandon.
Sorry, babe. Gotta do it for the vine.
Is there anything else you guys want to do? Like...
Air horn Mother's Day present.
What's she
Scare cam.
She's so bad. Oh shit! What?
Payback.
Go away, we are. Fuck's sake, Johnny.
Quit, you quit. You just ask people straight.
Air horn.
Don Perro. Oh, not cool, Tyler.
Alice, do you want to build a snowman?
Hey, wanna go look at this? What's that? I'm
Air horn prank.
Did it? Okay, so we stayed up all late last night and she's trying to fall asleep on me. Bitch!
God damn it, Robert.
Dick.
Do it for the vine? For the vine.
Like,
you're a dickhead.
do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine.
April's full of pranks, Jake.
Yeah.
Jay wants you.
I tried. Oh, fucking Christ.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Air horn scare cam. Hey, I love you.
What are you doing?
I love you.
Probably $10. Oh my God. What the hell?
AM.
Why?
Stop.
How to scare the shit out of your dad.
Unless you can poop
Oh,
out.
Jesus Christ!
Scare cam.
Fucking
was sick, but now I'm back. I'm back!
Scare cam.
God,
You drop it like
The human air horn.
Go. Wait. Ready?
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna get in trouble.
Whoa!
Hey, Shady.
I just caught this guy sleeping at lunchtime.
Oh, you fucker!
fucking dicks.
Kelsey. Oh.
that is it. You're an asshole. Gotcha.
This is how you wake up your little brother.
Yo, Austin.
Oh, shit.
That moment when you're walking down the sidewalk and...
Carly. Oh my god. Oh, what are you doing?
Sorry, Brie.
I'ma get his ass.
Hey, Randy!
April Fool's Day.
April Fools.
If I didn't want you to, man, like,